Hey guys, welcome back. We are getting ready to make a keto bread. It's only going to take about 90 seconds to actually cook the bread. We're doing it in a mug, we're doing it in the microwave. So let's get busy. All right, this is quick and easy. The things you'll need will be some almond flour. You need almond flour. You're going to need about a tablespoon of butter. I am using Kerrygold grass-fed butter, but you can use any butter you want. Make sure it's unsalted. You'll need 1 egg, baking powder, and salt. Those are the only ingredients you'll need. So the first thing you need to do is get this all mixed up. We're going to be melting this butter in the microwave, but I'm going to start mixing the other ingredients first. So put in our almond flour, put in our egg. No rhyme or reason as to how they go in. You want a half of a teaspoon of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. Now you want to mix this until it is nice and smooth. Okay, this is pretty smooth. We're going to go ahead and melt the butter and we'll be right back. Okay, we have our butter melted. We just want to go ahead and pour it in the mug. Get all of it out of there. Now I have a little brush. If you have some type of little brush where you can brush the butter around the entire mug, brushing it upwards, going upwards all along the sides. Actually brushing it upwards will help the bread to rise. If you do not have something that you can brush the butter up with, you can simply swirl it around the cup just like that. It'll be just fine. So make sure you brush it all the way up. It typically does not rise to the very top, but this also helps it come out. We're going to put it in the microwave for the 90 seconds. And then when it comes out, we'll need to let it cool for about 2 minutes before we go ahead and slice it. Then there's one more optional thing that we get to do in the end. So hang in there with me. And while I am pouring this batter in this cup, go ahead, do me a favor, take a moment and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. I'd like to welcome all my new members. Please turn on the notification bell so that you'll always get my videos every time I upload them. Okay. Just kind of make sure it's kind of smoothed around in here. That's all I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer. We're gonna get this in the microwave. Okay, we are going to sit this in the microwave. Turn it on for 90 seconds. My microwave, that would be a 1 for 1 minute, and add 30 seconds onto it. Okay, a minute and a half. We'll be back. Okay, our 90 seconds is up. The cup is still a little hot. I want you to see it before I take it out, and we're just going to take it out, flip it out right here on our cutting board. Should come right out. There it is. Yes, and now my cup has a rim around the bottom, and if you don't want this rim, you need a cup that's absolutely completely straight. But either way, it's still ready and it's still bread. Now we're going to let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then we will slice this in half. We'll go over to the stove and we're going to get this bread toasted up. Okay, I'll be right back. We are all cool now, so we're just going to take our knife and cut it right down the middle. Now if you want to make like 4 buns or pieces of bread, just double the recipe or use a smaller cylinder of a cup. Okay, I want you guys to see the inside. See the inside, yes. Okay guys, we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna toast this up. Half a tablespoon of butter in our skillet. Place our buns right in there. Right in there, let them get nice and toasty. And guys, while we are toasting our buns, please share the video out. I really would appreciate it, and give me a like. Give me a thumbs up, guys. share the video and give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I'm gonna get this plated up almost. I'm gonna turn it just a little bit. My skillet is a little bit smaller. I want them to be evenly browned. And they are almost ready. And it smells amazing. They should be good and ready. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, look how delicious that looks. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.